Hey everybody, this is the dashboard, and this incident happened while I was at the Spring Turkey Run at Daytona International Speedway, and they had a malfunctioning golf cart, and this is what happened. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way. Hey you, yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.